Everybody has been hyping this Beautyforever glowless wig, and you know all these influencers, they're always lying. So I'm going to try it by myself and let people know the truth. Goodies: melting band, wig cap, lashes. What is this? Foundation brush. I've never gotten a foundation brush from any wig company before, so okay. Color. Okay, the color is giving Beyonce. I believe this is their 24-inch highlight glowless wig. Off the bat, the only difference I see is that the lace is not cut in zigzag motion. They cut it straight. But let's see, it comes with an adjustable strap. Shakira, Shakira. Lace tint, melting band, wax stick, hot comb. Because of the color, we can't see the part, so let's define it with foundation. I usually like fuller curls, but let's define the curls just a little. Let's take the melting band off. Shakira, Shakira. Okay, so this is the finished look, and they were not lying, you know. It's giving what it needs to give. It's giving Shakira, Beyonce. I'm going to make another video styling this wig in a different way, so stay tuned. But the link to this wig will be in my bio, and my discount code will be in the description box below. And yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in my next video.